solid wood tables, benches, and open shelves. Slip-covered sofas or chairs make the space feel cozy and relaxed. Decorate with vintage and handmade items. Display old chairs, animal bowls, pictures, and lanterns. Use crochet, lace, or patchwork textiles. Even one or two vintage style items can change the whole look. Bring nature indoors, fresh flowers, bright glasses, or leafy branches. Use open storage or baskets, open shelves in kitchens or living areas, open baskets for blankets, towels, or storage. Keep it imperfect and limited. Don't over-decorate or aim for perfection. A little wear, texture, and unevenness adds charm. Add warm, soft lighting, warm bulbs instead of bright white light, table lamps, lantern-style lights, or candles. Key tip to remember: Country Farmhouse Decor is about warmth, simplicity, and show. If it feels cozy, natural, and a little nostalgic, you are doing it right. Mix old with simple new. Pair an old wooden stove with a clean white wall. Combine vintage items with plain modern basics. Use mirrors with wooden or metal frames. Distressed wood or black metal frames work best. Mirrors reflect light and make rooms feel larger. Style surfaces in small groups. Decorate tables or shelves in groups of 3 or 5. Highlight natural wood tones. Let wood grain show. Don't over-polish. Mix light and medium wood for depth. Avoid shiny finishes. Use everyday items as decor. Display cutting boards, rolling pins or mugs, hang aprons, baskets or utensils on hooks. Add handmade texture everywhere. Crochet runners, cushion covers or wall hangings, quilted drawers or stitched pillowcases. Handmade details add heart and warmth. Keep walls soft and natural. Whitewash, cream paint, or sample texture. Wooden signs or botanical prints. Avoid boardwalk art. Keep it gentle. Choose curved or soft shapes, rounded tables, baskets, or cushions. Soft shapes feel more welcoming than sharp lines. Farmhouse Décor, not trends. Classics, clocks, lanterns, or pottery. Avoid overly modern or trendy items. Let the home feel slow and peaceful. Don't rush to fill every corner. Empty space is part of the beauty. Add one statement rustic piece, a large wooden table, old trunk, or bench. Let it be the heart of the room. Keep the rest simple around it. Decorate corners gently. A small stool with a plant, a basket with folded blankets. Corners should feel useful, not empty. Keep accessories earth inspired. Clay, wood, glass, iron. Avoid plastic or overly decorative items. Let light be part of the decor. Shade curtains for natural sunlight. Keep windows uncluttered. Embrace asymmetry. Not everything needs to align. Slightly imbalance feels more natural. Perfection is not farmhouse. Let every corner show. Small scratches, faded paint, uneven textures are beautiful. Use cloth instead of plastic. Fabric storage bags, cotton covers, linen tablecloths. Even simple shops make their space feel softer. Add low furniture where possible. Low tables, stools, benches feel grounded. They create a relaxed farmhouse atmosphere. Display food as decor. Glass jars with rice, lentils, spices. Wooden bowls with fruits. Simple, practical, and beautiful. Choose warm metals, edged brass, black iron, copper. Avoid shiny chrome or silver. Let curtains touch the floor. Floor length cotton or linen curtains. Light colors only. Add softness and height. Group plants naturally. Different heights, similar tones, clay pots work best. Keep plants healthy, not crowded. Use chairs that don't match perfectly. Mixed wood tones or styles. Still similar in shape or color. Feels collected over time. Add quiet farmhouse details. Wall hooks, pegs, rails. Hanging mugs, baskets, aprons. Functional beauty is key. use fabric layers on tables, cotton